name's Mark and welcome to Muddy River Clay. For today's project, we're going to be making face faces, and they'll turn out something like this. I am obsessed with faces, and the reason is we all have different eyes, nose, mouth, ears. There's not really a right way to make a face, and that's why I enjoy this project so much. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoy the project, and here we go. First, I roll out a nice even slab of clay. Then I grab a plastic bag and wrap it around a bottle to create a base form. Rolling the clay around the bottle gives us that perfect vase shape, and then I make sure to fill in and smooth out the external seams. Now for the fun part, creating the face. I'd like to start with the nose. There's just something about getting the nose just right that kind of sets the tone. And then I move on to the eyes, adding some depth and expression. And then I finish up with the mouth for a one-of-a-kind personality. Since I've been making this design for years, I'm always looking for ways to push the creativity. Lately, I've started adding these fun elements to the sides just to give it a little something extra to make each vase truly unique. Once the face is complete, it's time for some finishing touches. I carefully remove the bottle and clean up the internal seams to make sure everything is smooth and polished. And there you have it, a beautiful one-of-a-kind ceramic face that's ready to shine. Thank you so much for joining me on this creative journey. If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more clay adventures. Can't wait to see what we create together. See you next time.